Okay, this is just going to be a quick video demonstration of this Sunstar cylinder bed walking foot sewing machine. This was made in Seoul, South Korea. They've got a model number of PH500 on it. Obviously this was on a big industrial table, but I didn't want to have that in my house. So I just designed this small stand. It's got a 1.5 amp sewing machine motor mounted in the back, which drives the machine. When you want to wind a bobbin, you just flip the belt over here, wind the bobbin. I've got a couple sitting up here, and then you can put it back to the machine. I've got this lever I designed over here, which is instead of using your foot to lift the presser feet, you can use this handle. Makes it a little bit easier. Or obviously the machine has the lever in the back to lift the feed dogs out of the way. This is 3 layers of marine vinyl here. And there's the stitches on the back and the front. I've learned that when you're sewing with this, if you want to keep your project from going kind of circling like this, you have to hold it fairly level with the top of the, or the bottom of the presser feet here. Otherwise it automatically wants to go into a circle because you're working on hold these threads. You'll automatically want to make a circular shape because the way you're holding the stitch goes through it. It pulls the fabric into a circle. So if you're working on something you want to stay straight, you got to make sure you hold that up like that. Okay, well that shows you what the machine will do.